this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get a lovely Pro Access tailgate, allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got an AC outlet back here, as well as you can turn on your bed lights, and you do get hooks and doodads around each corner. Measurements on the gate, and it is powered, so it will go up and down automatically, which is pretty nice. Mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side with keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light indicated mirrors, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space. We got cup holders and storage, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt. And of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a lovely split folding rear bench seat, flat fold storage system, and tons of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, upgraded B&O sound system. We have our tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.7 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Center console with an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop here, totally up to you. Plenty of storage underneath. With drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooling front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and auto stop auto start, Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazards and tractions, and a 360 view of the vehicle. We do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA09897, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.